When it comes to making a great first impression, your home's exterior plays a significant role. Whether you're looking to sell your property or simply want to enhance its appearance, installing new windows can be one of the most effective ways to boost your home's curb appeal in Tysons. Beyond aesthetics, new windows offer energy efficiency, security, and increased property value, all essential factors for homeowners looking to upgrade their living space. Why curb appeal matters. Your home's curb appeal is more than just about looks. It reflects the care and attention given to the property. A well-maintained exterior makes your home more inviting and adds value to the neighborhood. If your existing windows are outdated, cracked, or mismatched with your home's style, replacing them with modern, energy-efficient options can significantly enhance the overall aesthetic. Benefits of installing new windows. Elevates your home's appearance. New windows can transform the look of your home by giving it a fresh, updated appearance. Whether you prefer sleek, modern designs or classic, timeless frames, the right window choice can complement your home's architectural style and improve visual appeal. Enhances natural light. Replacing old, worn-out windows with larger or strategically placed windows can flood your home with natural light, making your interior spaces feel brighter and more open. This not only improves aesthetics but also creates a more inviting and comfortable living environment. Improves energy efficiency. The modern windows are designed with advanced insulation technology, such as double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and weatherproof seals. These features help reduce heat loss during the winter and keep your home cooler in the summer, leading to lower energy bills and a more comfortable indoor climate. Boosts home value. In a competitive housing market like Tysons, potential buyers are looking for homes with modern upgrades that reduce future expenses. Installing energy-efficient, stylish windows can increase your home's resale value and attract buyers who appreciate both beauty and functionality. Reduces outside noise. Living in Tysons means enjoying the benefits of a vibrant city, but it also comes with the downside of street noise. New windows with soundproofing technology can minimize external noise, making your home a quieter and more peaceful retreat. Increases security and safety. Older windows with weak locks or single-pane glass can make your home more vulnerable to break-ins. Modern windows come equipped with stronger locks, reinforced glass, and impact-resistant features, ensuring that your home remains secure while maintaining its beauty. Choosing the right windows for your home in Tysons. Selecting the perfect windows for your home involves more than just picking a design you like. Consider the following factors to make the best choice. Style options. Double-hung windows, a versatile, classic choice that complements most home styles. Casement windows, ideal for maximizing ventilation and offering unobstructed views. Bay and bow windows. These create a focal point and add a touch of elegance. Sliding windows, perfect for modern and minimalist home designs. Frame materials. Vinyl windows, low maintenance, durable, and energy efficient. Wood windows. Traditional and elegant but require regular upkeep. Fiberglass windows. Extremely strong, long-lasting, and resistant to weather damage. Color and finish. Choose window frames that complement your home's exterior color scheme and overall design. Many manufacturers offer customizable colors and finishes to match your aesthetic preferences. Energy-efficient features. Opt for windows with double-pane or triple-pane glass, low-E coatings, and gas-filled insulation for the best energy savings and comfort. Professional installation. The key to long-lasting beauty. Even the highest quality windows won't perform effectively if they're not installed correctly. Hiring a trusted window installation professional in Tysons ensures a seamless fit, proper insulation, and long-lasting durability. Professional installers will also help you navigate local building codes and permit requirements. Final thoughts. Transform your home with new windows. Upgrading your home with new windows is an investment in both beauty and functionality. Whether you want to enhance your home's curb appeal, reduce energy costs, or increase security, modern windows can make a significant impact. If you're ready to elevate the look of your Tysons home, contact a local window expert today to explore your options and find the perfect solution for your needs. By making this smart home improvement, you'll enjoy a stunning exterior, improved comfort, and increased property value for years to come.